Oi,
We tornado hunters.
we're hunting tornadoes. We hear there be tornadoes around in this here plot. And you hear me correctly. We're not talking about tomatoes or potatoes, but tornadoes. Yes,
Yes.
that's what we're looking for.
Yes.
I hope they're around this part because we've been looking all day.
All day.
We go to our cameras to take pictures of the tornadoes.
No tornado yet.
Not tomatoes. We see
Oh,
lots of,
potatoes.
we see lots of those in town. But for tornado, oh no! I see a tornado! Oh no! We are caught in the